Hey everyone, welcome to Thoughtful Thursday video. First of all, I'm sorry last week I wasn't able to upload any video because of my personal commitments. I was busy somewhere else. We're gonna talk about 7 ways to keep ourselves happy. So let's start the video, and the first and the foremost thing is admit you're wrong. Generally what we tend to do is that we don't admit our fault. We don't admit that we are wrong, which is actually very wrong. So the first thing is admit you are wrong. आप जब खुद को ये admit करने लगोगे, आप बैठोगे, situation analyze करोगे, what situation you actually आपने वो बोला, आपने वो किया, आपने ऐसा क्यों किया, but and in the end अगर आपको लगता है कि ये आपकी गलती है, so admit it that you are wrong and say sorry to the person, say sorry to whosoever it concern. ना जनरली क्या होता है कि हमें पता होता है कि हम गलत हैं और हम वो चीज़ एडमिट नहीं करते क्योंकि लगेगा यार हम कैसे बेवकूफ़ हैं. So please don't do that. Please don't do that. And एडमिट करो अपनी गलती को. अगर आप गलती कर रहे हो तो ये कहीं ना कहीं सुनने में थोड़ा अजीब लगता है, बट इट विल एक्चुअली गिव यू पीस ऑफ माइंड. ठीक है. एलिमिनेट टॉक्सिक पीपल, एलिमिनेट टॉक्सिक प्लेस, एलिमिनेट टॉक्सिक थिंग. सो टॉक्सिक इज बेसिकली समथिंग जो आपके अंदर की निगेटिविटी को बाहर लाए. सो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप मेल से बात कर रहे हो या आप किसी और से बात कर रहे हो और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके अंदर की निगेटिविटी बाहर आ रही है, आपको फील गुड फैक्टर नहीं हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ अवॉइड टॉकिंग टू दोज पीपल जो आपके लिए टॉक्सिक हैं, जो आपको हार्म कर रहे हैं इन वन वे और अनदर. बी इट आपकी टांग खींचते हैं या आपको मोटिवेट नहीं करते हैं, डीमोटिवेट करते हैं, या फिर आपका मजाक उड़ाते हैं, आपको बुली करते हैं, या आपको चिड़चिड़ाहट होती है, उन लोगों से दूर रहो. ऐसी जगह से दूर रहो जहाँ आपको जाना नहीं पसंद. इसका हमारा थर्ड पॉइंट है फाइंड योर पैशन. फाइंड योर पैशन, आई मीन पैशन और हॉबी और समथिंग जो आपको करने का मन हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू राइट, लिखो. इफ़ यू वांट टू प्ले, खेलो. If you want to dance, just dance. If you want to sing, sing. And believe me, in today's world, it's actually possible to do what you want to do. There are so many platforms. If you are a writer and if you want to write, you can write a blog. There are many apps like where you can write down your creativity, be it on Instagram. There is an very famous app called as Pratilipi. I'll add the link in the description box below. So there are many apps जहाँ पर आप you can write down your thoughts. If you're a writer, if you're a poet, if you आप शायरी लिखते हो, you can write anything there. There are a lot of categories. We generally forget to enjoy ourselves and we generally forget what we love, what we do, and what gives us the immense happiness. Finding your own happiness, but it also helps you in building up your own creativity. So if you want to evolve as a human being, if you want to evolve as a person, and if also you want to find the happiness in small little things, try to find out your passion, try to find out your hobby, and believe me, बहुत खुशी मिलेगी. So let's talk about the fourth thing in which we can keep ourselves happy is express your gratitude. Generally we don't do it. I mean बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग नहीं करते हैं. So we forget to thank for what we already have and we start looking for something which will make us happy. But for a moment, क्या आपने कभी ऐसा किया है कि instead of wanting something new, you have actually thanked God, thanked your surroundings that you are in, and express your gratitude towards the thing what you actually have. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. हम लोगों में we as a human have a tendency to want more. We are not satisfied. We don't get satisfied very easily. हमें we have to find ways to satisfy ourselves. So expressing our gratitude towards the thing we have is one of our key to happiness. So fifth point is learn to say no. To be very honest, slowly and gradually in my life I have understood and I have practically understand the fact that no is also an answer, because and we should learn how to say no. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ नहीं पसंद है, आप नहीं कुछ करना चाहता है, you don't want to meet someone, you don't want to go somewhere, you don't want to eat something, you don't want to make plans, you don't want to go on a holiday, you don't want to do something, and if it is all justified, we need to learn how to say no, because we cannot say abruptly and in a very rude and a vague manner that no. So that is also bad and on our part. So वापस हम चले जाएंगे अपने पहले point पे, admit you are wrong. Oh, I said it in a very wrong tone. So yeah, I'm wrong. Okay, let's go. No, don't do that. So if you want to say no, and if you don't want to be part of something, so say it very politely, express your feeling, and let the people know that this is the reason you are not comfortable with it and you don't want to do it, so you don't want to be part of it. For sixth point, take some time out. Yes, so we in today's generation, we always talk about self-care, self-love. So when you talk about self-care or self-love, do you even do that? I mean, I know people who brag about these things and they put on these Instagram stories, and they use these GIFs and everything on their social media pages, like, oh, I'm doing self-care, oh, self-love is so important. But actually, do you practice it? And it's a very genuine question to everybody out there. Do you actually practice it? Because when we talk about self-care and self-love, it's not just that you're cut off from everybody. No, don't do that. Man is a social animal and we need people to be happy. But on a serious note, self-care and self-love is very important, and you need to understand that. उसके लिए you need to take some time out from your schedule, from your daily routine for yourself, and in that particular time, do whatever you want to do. Do something which makes you happy, do something which will give you a peace of mind, which will calm your mind, which will calm your body. Do some yoga, do some if you don't get a proper sleep, get sleep in that time, but take some time out for yourself, because that is the time which is going to relax your mind, body and soul. And when we talk about mind, body and soul, these three things are very important, and these three things basically creates a human. So take some time out for yourself, do the self-care, self-love, enjoy, relax and calm your mind, body and soul, and see how good you will feel about that, how good and how relaxed you will be about that. And coming back to our last and the seventh point, in 7 ways to keep ourselves happy. So the last but the most important point is stay positive. सो ये हमारे शास्त्रों में बोला गया है कि दिन का एक टाइम होता है जब हमारी धरती में से एक ओम की आवाज़ निकलती है, एंड उस टाइम पे आप अगर कुछ बोलो तो वो होता है. बट आई मीन, I don't know it practically happens or not, but yeah, I have felt this and I have read it on a lot of different platforms. So staying positive not only brings you some confidence, but it also brings some happiness. Because if you are happy, the world is happy, and the world is a better place to live in. Yes, it sounds a little weird, but it's true.